Hi Leslie, my name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that will bring you and the business more value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website and drive in more traffic. So I have 3 tips I would like to share for you. My first tip is content and keywords. Now, what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google typically wants to see a lot of content, and the website with the most content are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that they need. So I recommend you have at least 1,500 words on your home page. Now when I go onto your website, Wiring Pros, and I push Command A to copy everything, Command C, I take it over to word counter.net, I paste it in there, and you have 470 words on your home page. Phoenix Electricians is ranked #1 organic when you search electricians in Phoenix. They have over 900 words on their home page. 950 words. So I'd definitely recommend getting that content up. So along with the content, it is very important that you have buyer intent keywords inside the content. And buyer intent keywords are the words people are typing into the Google search bar. So we use a tool called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool and it allows me to search for these buyer intent keywords. So I looked up Electricians Phoenix. This is just 3 examples of keywords that should be inside your content. Electrician Phoenix, Electrician Phoenix AZ, Phoenix Electrician. Just between these 3 keywords, they're being searched 900 times a month by potential customers. So if I go into your website and I push Command F and bring up my search bar and I type in Electricians Phoenix, it's nowhere to be found on your page. Your competition, he has it posted 5 different times. Phoenix Electricians, Phoenix Electricians, Phoenix Electrician, Phoenix Electrician, and here as well. So like I said, it's very important to have these keywords. Now my second tip for you is backlinks. Backlinks are links throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. Backlinks are very important. It's like having a popularity contest. In most cases, the ones with the most backlinks wins. Google's looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, this is actually a really trustworthy website. They offer a great service. But not all backlinks are created equal. Google, they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other electrical companies or home improvement sites that have links linking back to you. You do not want backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut, because, well, you're not a food company, so the more relevant, the better. So I looked up your stats. I'm currently finding you on page 3. When I look up Electricians Phoenix, you do have more backlinks than your competitor. However, so URL rating is 19, and this is how powerful your site is. This is the domain rating, it's 0.3, and that's how trustworthy your site is. And you want these 2 numbers to be as close together as possible. You're shooting for a ratio of 1, and you want them to continually grow. You have an organic search traffic of 39 people per month. And like I said, so you have 108 referring domains, giving you a total of 717 backlinks. Now when I go to your competitor's page, you have a URL of 28. He does, and that's this power. Domain rating 1.9, trust factor. He has 454 people coming on his site organically each month. He has 91 referring domains, giving him 591 backlinks. And a few reasons why I think he's beating you out and being listed #1. 1, he has more content. 2, he has those buyer intent keywords. And 3, he has more powerful backlinks than you do. So how can you go in and get your competition's backlinks? So you can go into referring domains, and each one of these websites has a link linking people back to his website. You can go in and get the same. Some of these websites you just have to go in and create a profile, and you can add your website that way. Others you're gonna have to email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee. I do want to mention that there are free tools out there. If you just Google backlink checker or keyword finder, and you can find the tools that you need to be able to do this yourself. And so my last tip for you, my favorite tip, and that is get to the #1 spot on the Google Map Pack, and that's this area here. So in my opinion, it's the best spot to be in. If you're anything like me and you're trying a new service that you haven't used before, and you need to search in the search bar, say I'm new to Phoenix and I need an electrician. So I'm going to type in Electricians Phoenix, and this map pack is going to be one of the first things that you see. And to me, it just seems to be the most trustworthy. You got T&K Electric. He has 158 reviews, 5 stars. It's just a no-brainer. So he's definitely going to come out and bid on one of my jobs first. So how do you beat them out? You need to beat them out in citations. And a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in more directories than your competitor. A directory, there's thousands of them, like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. Even Facebook's considered a directory nowadays. So I hope this was helpful. Just a quick recap. To beat out your competition, get more content on your page. Get 1,500 words with those buyer intent keywords. Then get all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. Finally, add your business name, your business number, and your business address, all spelt the same, all across the internet, and more directories than your competition has. If you do follow these 3 tips, you will get ranked at the top of Google. You will drive more traffic into your website, resulting in more phone calls, and that will lead to more jobs you get to bid on. So you're probably wondering what you could do now. Well, I hope you take all this information I gave you and apply it yourself. And I totally encourage you to do that. It does take some time to do. I would advise getting started sooner than later, because it's going to take just a little bit of time. In your case, not too much time at all to get your website ranked to the top. If you need any help or you have any questions for me, you are free to reach out to me. My phone number is 480-605-0508. Thank you, Leslie.